welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So, I'm here to talk about what I have learned in chapter 1 in this Networking Academy course here. So, there's an introduction there, but I'm going to skip that one so that I'm gonna go straight forward to this section. This network in our daily lives. What's in here is a video, but I'm not going to play it because it might take too long. So, among all of the essentials for human existence, the need to interact with other ranks just below our need to sustain life. Communication is almost as important to us as our reliance on air, water, food, and shelter. So, as modern day humans, we live in a world full of endless discoveries and changes. Technology evolves and great inventions appear anytime at present. Communication between millions and millions of people became a lot easier thanks to the network. And I'm gonna go on to the next topic. Oh no. Network technology became very beneficial to everyone in this living earth. It does make our lives easier by accessing with our mobile gadgets to be able to communicate with our family and friends to any part of the world. Communicating in the past is more complex, for we still need to send letters and wait for replies in more than an hour, which is hassle for older generations. At present, we can send everything through online messaging and social media with a tap. All we need to do is connect to our network providers and freely express ourselves through messages in this technologically advanced world. I'm gonna go here now. Technology then and now. So what if we don't have access to the internet? What if we still live with the traditional way of communication at present and never experience to use and connect on social media? We should be thankful that we came this far. As new discoveries arise, we jump into a great era of innovation. Technology advances, and we grabbed every opportunity to take with new inventions to help us make life less of an hassle. Our network slowly expands and continues to innovate through time. Improvements must be made for us to have a quality of life. So as like as humans who live in the modern days, or the futuristic times, we need to be thankful that technology came and we benefit from it a lot, because advancements make our world a lot better and our lives easier, because many inventions helps us to do less extra work, and we adapt to every change that happens in this world. So what I learned here is that one of the most significant changes to the world today is the advancement of the network technologies. The creators helps to make the world better with having no boundaries on great possibilities. So this means that our networking technologies are helps us to take it to a high new level that in the past we're like at the bottom. Our our lives are just like the normal traditional way of working, and now everything is everything can be made instant. So with the use of technology, we need to make make use of it and use it for our own good, and to do work quickly and efficiently. So we're gonna go back here. Mm, so the topic 1.1.2. I can scroll. So in section 1.2, the LANs, WANs, and the internet. So it shows various network components and devices and intermediary network devices. So this shows every devices that the network needs, and how they interconnect with one another, and what are their differences and similarities with one another, and how they use and everything, how they are used. So the topic 1.2.2 tells us about like types of networks, like local area networks, wide area networks. So what I know here is that um, this local area network is like a network that has the range of a like a small in a small geographic area only, that it can it it has its limits, while the wide area network is like a network that can provide access in wide area, or like it surfaces cities like that, and they are managed by lots of telecommunication service provider. So there are others here like the metropolitan area network, wireless LAN, storage area network. And in topic 1.3.1, what I learned here is that how the networks in how networks helps us to like send messages and share information from one place to another. And this is how this is how they send from the networks to other device to from our devices to other devices on different places. So in topic 1.4.1.1, and this shows the new trends where in this present time, the like this is like our this era is the like futuristic start of where our advancement came. And as you can see at the picture, there are many devices here and lots of varieties. So listed here is like bring your own device, or BYOD, online collaboration, video communication, and cloud computing. So this bring your own devices na at the present, you wouldn't see anybody not having a mobile phone. So like as 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 mobile phones are created and people get to buy their own and use it for communication purposes, and that's why each and every one of us would need to have a phone for us to have entertainment and lots of stuff. So online collaboration, it means that every people can do tasks online, even if they're far from one another. They can still do like video chats and stuff, and they can like collaborate with one another and do extra work at home. Video communication, yeah. So video conferencing, so this is the like you share your video locally or globally for people to have your information through their knowledge, and that's like the online collaboration too, because you communicate with them through your home as they like walk past the street and they watch it. So it's like collab. So this cloud computing means that this is like storage of information which is secure. So we rely on that. So Cisco network architecture is the role of the network has changed from the data-only network to a system that enables the connections of people, devices, and information in a media-rich, converged network environment. In order for networks to function efficiently and grow in this type of environment, the network must be built upon a standard network architecture. The network architecture refers to the devices, connections, and products that are integrated to support necessary technologies and applications. So the Cisco network architecture for me means that it is every device that is produced that used to help us in to support the recent technologies or new technologies that exists in this world. So I have this drawing here, and I'm gonna show it to you. It is here at the introduction, I think. Yeah, it is. That's activity. So I have a drawing here, but yeah, don't don't judge me because I'm not good at this, but it's okay. I'm gonna show it to you. So I'm making a Wi-Fi connection here, and I put I will put some arrows here, 4 arrows, and I'm gonna put words can that connects with this. So my first example is you can connect your Wi-Fi at home because your network provider is everywhere in this world, and also especially at work because it is a need in data managing in your work, and also in this third example, which is companies, and that's more important because it's a wide organization, and also for this school because students make access to internet and everything. So now I'm making here like devices, and the first one is this laptop. I'm not good at making this small devices here, so it's so ugly. Oh my god. It's okay. I'm just representing. So I'm gonna put an arrow here. I'm gonna draw something requires that is required to for you to access like the Wi-Fi, which is the router, like a it's like a robot head. And lastly, I'm gonna make this mobile phone. So everything that connects the router can send messages with one another, and that's the essence of having a Wi-Fi connection and everywhere. It interconnects with one another. So you have seen my drawing, and what I really learned in this chapter 1, Explore the Network, is the great importance of network in our lives and how it contribute to our everyday lives as as we use we use our technology well, and be responsible to every action that we do with network. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, even if I look so boring and stressed because it's late night and it's too noisy outside. And that will be all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.